Okay, this is a little video for Graham, just to show you what it's like to use it sharpening a larger knife. This is my 6-inch Henckels professional knife. I do use it for all my knives, even including the 8-inch professional knife. The only one I don't use it on, I kind of tend to like to tweak that, is my RB, my Japanese knife. But every other knife I use it. I'll just show you, give you a little demonstration, honing this little knife here. I'll show you here now. Absolutely air popping sharp there, and very easy to do. As long as you've got a really decent apex. As soon as it loses a little bit of its sharpness, I guarantee if you hit that sharpening system, it'll bring it back to where it needs to be.